Okay, so today we're going to be going over how to make homemade mashed potatoes. As you can see, I've got a bunch of potatoes here. We're going to mash them and cook them up, and it's going to be great. It's going to be the best mashed potatoes you ever had in your life, and you can just do so much to them. You could eat these every day and never get tired of them. It's going to be wonderful. I don't know if you can see, but right here I've got some peeled garlic. 3-4 cloves maybe, sitting in some aluminum foil. I peeled it and I'm just going to put it in here and basically just close it up like so, and that's perfect timing. That's my oven going off. Just preheated it to 450. Actually, I'm going to put this garlic in for about 10 minutes, roundabout. You don't have to be super precise. So the next step, obviously cut up the potatoes. I'm gonna get them into about half-inch pieces, and yeah. See you when I'm done. All right, so finally got all the potatoes here chopped up. You can see this big pile of potatoes. Next step, we get those in the pot. I've already got a pot, as you can see over here. Boiling. Water just got to a rolling boil here just a minute ago. I want to add those to a pot with boiling water, so you can pierce them with a fork pretty easily. So I'm actually just going to carry the cutting board over to the pot to make things a little bit easier. So now I'm just going to wait about 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes are ready. Once you can pierce them pretty easily with a fork, and we're just going to drain them. Check back with you in a bit. Alright, so while we're waiting on the potatoes, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to check on this garlic. It should be about done right now. I'm going to go ahead and grab it out of the oven. And I'm going to use my towel here. If you haven't used these before, these are blue surgical hug towels. These things are incredible. You know, they come in a sterilized package when you get them. You can get like 12 of them. I think I got them for like $10. And you know, they're just they're super great to use in the kitchen. And really for anything else, you can use them to get like hot stuff out of the oven. You can use them to, you know, wipe your hands on while you're cooking. You can use them to dry your vegetables. I use them for everything. It's extra pro. So we got the garlic here. Alright, so the potatoes are just about done now. So I just got the garlic out of the oven, and what we're going to do now is we're going to take it out of this aluminum foil. You know, it's cooled down just a little bit now, so I can just kind of mess with it with my hands. Take a fork, I'm going to mash all this up. Take it. It's nice. Alright, so the potatoes have now finished. I'm going to check them with this fork here. I'm actually going to use the one that I used for the garlic because I'm going to mix it in anyway. Yep, yeah, it looks like they're done. They're really tender. Just stab it with a fork. It's super easy to get in there, you know, like you were going to eat baked potato. Maybe even a little bit softer than that, honestly. You know, you want it pretty soft right now. Now I'm just going to take this and I'm going to drain it. I've got a strainer right here to use. So I'm using an enamel cast iron pot here. Really cool. I love this pot, but it gets hot on the handles. So I'm going to use these to really. So I'm going to save some of the water from this pot, and I'll show you why here in a few minutes. Some of y'all may already know. But yeah, I'm going to put some of the water in this measuring cup here. and we'll use it here in a little bit. And so now that I have stranded these, I'm gonna put them back in the pot. Okay. So we got them back in the pot here, and I'm gonna move it off heat. The next step is just to combine this this garlic that I roasted in with it, along with this little bowl I've got here. So it's 2 tablespoons of butter and just large dollop of sour cream. That's all I got here. Large dollop of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm gonna mix that in along with this this garlic here. I'm gonna put the garlic here in just a second. I'm so excited for these potatoes. They're gonna turn out, I love making them this way. And so just gonna take this on the knife, dump it in. Put that last little bit right here. I love garlic. I don't know about you all, but I love me some garlic. I'm gonna take my masher here and I'm gonna mash it up right here. So I'm gonna mash a little bit. Let's get mashed up. I'll grab a spatula here in just a minute. And so once you get it mostly mashed up here, nice consistency. It's going to be really thick, and that's because we haven't added any water yet. Once you get it that nice, mashed consistency, you're going to take that water I've got here from the pot and add a little bit in there and mix it up. Okay, so now we're just gonna mix until it's blended smooth. Okay, so I believe that will do it. These potatoes look done. They look super tasty. All that's left to do now is season them with a little bit of salt and pepper here. I'm gonna get these potatoes out of the bowl. I'll give you a display of what they look like, do a taste test, and we'll be good to go for the evening. Alright, so I got it in this new bowl here, and I'm thinking this is gonna taste tasting spoon here. Looks wonderful. I love being able to see the skin in here. I love some skin in my potatoes. Obviously, if you don't, you can skin the potatoes first to whatever degree that may be. If you like a little bit of skin, skin them halfway. If you don't like any skin, skin them all the way. Anyway, the potatoes turned out wonderfully. At least that's how they look. Let's see how they taste. A big spoonful. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is it. So, I mean, all that was really here, all it takes to make these potatoes, some water, salt, pepper, garlic, and sour cream, and butter. Yeah, need some butter. Okay, so that's it for today. We made some of the most amazing mashed potatoes ever. Hey everybody, just want to say thank you for watching my video today on how to make the most amazing mashed potatoes ever. I can only hope that they turn out as good at your house as they did at mine. I know I really enjoy it. I really enjoyed them. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you like the video. If there's anything else you wanna see me demonstrate, just let me know. And once again, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it.